Good day everyone. Learn how to remove virus from Kaspersky free virus removal tool. So you need to open your browser and type Kaspersky scanner and you will find free virus removal tool kaspersky.com. So I'll click on that. Now here you will find Kaspersky Premium, Kaspersky Virus Removal Tool. Online virus scanner helps remove malware from your Windows PC if it has been compromised. If you want to know how to install it, you need to click on that and then you will find how to download and run virus removal tool. Close all running applications and download and run the utility file, and you just need to confirm and accept and run a scan with Kaspersky Virus Removal Tool using these instructions. So it will show you how exactly change parameters. You can select startup memory, startup objects, boot sector, system, all volume. Make sure if you select all, it will take time to scan the whole computer, and this depends on your computer performance. The processor, it might take 2 to 5 minutes to scan or more than 5 to 10 minutes to scan the whole computer and remove the virus. Since it's a one-time scanner, so you can always scan and just remove it. So do let me know in the comment section whether you have used the Kaspersky Virus Removal Tool application or not. If yes, do let me know how's the performance, and if this tutorial is helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.